Hello, this is Dan Alford. It's April 1st, 2025. Every year, right around this time, we come out with some of our newest and most advanced technology. This year is no exception. For centuries, humans have used subtractive technology to remove materials and create the items they need. This entire technology is being replaced with additive manufacturing, but we're taking it to a new level. Subtractive technology is wasteful. You must start with a large part, remove everything you don't want, leaving you with a much smaller part and a great deal of waste. This is the way machine tools have operated for centuries. But subtractive manufacturing is wasteful. You use too much material, time, and energy to create something. For example, there's no way you would start with a large tree to create a small tree. It's much better to grow it upwards. That is the definition of additive manufacturing. And that is precisely why trees have been made this way since the beginning of time. And I shiver to think that anyone would consider making a small giraffe by starting with a large one and a chainsaw. This is why we've joined forces with the forward-thinking scientists at New Order Nanosteel Engineered Network Superior Ecosystem. Working together, we've created an entirely new way to do additive manufacturing. Working with the scientists at New Order, we've successfully created an entirely new technology that's going to change the world. We call it smart metal. Smart metal allows you to create parts using nothing but a cellular phone and our advanced technology. Unfortunately, the only place on Earth to find smart iron is human hemoglobin from donors. Using standard pheresis techniques, we remove up to 1 pint per month from volunteers or 4 pints from prisoners. After the blood is collected, we extract the iron and blend in our proprietary ingredients. We alloy the iron with unobtainium to increase strength and toughness, and then we add our proprietary blend, which includes trace amounts of antimatter, to create smart metal. And this is where you, the end user, takes over. You purchase our application, install it on the phone, and purchase our smart metal in liquid form. You launch the application on your phone, install standard earbuds, clear your mind of all the clutter and focus on precisely what you would like to build using your smart metal system. Once you have exactly the item pictured on the screen that you want to manufacture, stop the process and install the phone in the standard ring stand. Once you're satisfied with your design, carefully measure the appropriate amount of liquid smart metal into our transparent aluminum building vessel, and enjoy the process of watching smart metal atoms precisely position themselves to create any steel part that you can imagine. Today we're making a simple half-inch grade 8 hex bolt. For more complex parts, we offer special smart metal extracted from the blood of high IQ individuals. Once the build process is complete, you simply rinse off any excess antimatter and your part is ready for use. Once the build process is complete, your part is ready to use. Let's take it out in the shop and give it a test. We're going to put the bolt through a high-strength steel pipe and over-torque it. The pipe fails, the bolt passes. We believe that smart metal technology will make all traditional manufacturing technology obsolete. If you have a product which would benefit from smart metal additive manufacturing, or if you have large quantities of human hemoglobin to sell, call me. Please comment below if you think that smart metal additive is too good to be true.